Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 24th April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup, demand and supply zones for swing or positional income trades. That is nothing but monthly income trade and weekly income trade. Before the generation of these reports, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our YouTube channel. I kept the videos in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. I also provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. I also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. The first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. For monthly income trade, your entry time frame should be daily, and for bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. In this parameter, bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. I am also going to set 3 additional filters. The first filter is about pierced zones. We don't want pierced zones. So there is a column, there is a parameter called pierced count, the last parameter in this page. So in daily time frame, that is our entry time frame, I don't want pierced zones. So I am setting minimum value 0, maximum value 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. Second filter I am going to set zone achievement. So VOZ, the value is a violated opposing zone. And the minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. For bullish or bearish trade setup, minimum score is 12. Now with these filters, we will generate the report. Now 16 stocks are filtered. All these 16 stocks are supporting bullish or bearish trade setup. Now you can draw these zones in your charts. If any of these zones are near to your demand zone, you can plan your trades. If not near, probably after few days, the prices might be get into your zones. And if your analysis still remains same by the time they enter into the zone, the RR and your supply zones does not change, you can plan your long trades. I'll be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. In case if you are not aware of these reports, in lesson 21.1 I clearly explained in our training lessons 21.1, that is part 1 of lesson 21, completely about explaining this report, all the columns and abbreviations. So please complete that video before you try to understand this report. And others, I hope others know how to make use of this report. So I'll go back to the next report. So now I am going to generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So entry time frame is daily, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And this one also we need to change. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And remaining filters are same. The 3 filters, whatever the values we set, they are same. Now let me generate the report. So 3 stocks are filtered. It seems the last 3, 4, 5 days, the same stocks are getting listed. Okay. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setup for weekly income trade. For weekly income trade, your entry time frame should be 75 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, this time we are selecting 75 minutes time frame. There we are selecting bullish. And the three filters, first filter pierced zone should not be there. So what is our entry time frame? 75 minutes. So in 75 minutes, minimum value you need to set 0, maximum value you need to set 0 for the parameter pierced count. Next, zone achievement should be violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score for your 75 minutes demand zone should be 12. So now 17 stocks are filtered. These 17 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. Check if any of these stocks are near to the zones, then you can plan the trades. Now let me generate bearish trade setup. So I'm going back for entry time frame 75 minutes. But bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup at 75 minutes time frame, I'm selecting the value bearish. And the filters, the three filters already we set previously, we are using the same. Now let me generate the report. These are the 4 stocks currently supporting bearish trade setup. We have generated bullish and bearish trade setups, and the last report is stop buffers based on daily ATR. So based on this daily ATR, I am generating stop buffers. This is the daily ATR. 15% ATR should be used for monthly income trade. 10% ATR should be used for weekly income trades. First 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks, but listed in F&O category. So what I do, I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you few seconds time. So whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. So I'm scrolling down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.